National Pension System Trust, NPS Trust, recruitment for the post of manager and grade A as well as grade B officer. So it is excellent opportunity, and pay scale is very good. We'll just see official website of NPS Trust. So this is the official website of NPS Trust, National Pension System Trust, and you can see this is the careers page of NPS Trust. So recruitment for the post of grade B as well as grade A, assistant manager and manager. So this needs experience, and for grade A there is no experience required. So all the bachelor degree holders can apply for grade A post, and this is the link which we'll see at the end of the video how you can apply, and this is the detailed notification which we are about to see just within a couple of seconds. So this is a detailed notification. As you can see here, the application for this has already started from 30/12/2020 to 29/1/2021. This is grade B manager as well as grade A assistant manager, and the exam will be of consists of phase 1 which is online examination, phase 2 after qualifying phase 1 you will have phase 2, and then followed by interview. So it kind of a 3-tier, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. So the application date has already started, and the end of application was 29th of this month, that is January 29th 2021. So it depends on different criteria. So first is phase 1 and group discussion as well as interview in different sectors. Now the detailed vacancies for different streams, that is for grade B this is experienced candidate, for general stream 3, and for information technology 1. So this is the pay scale which starts with 35,150, and this is just basic pay scale which ends till 62,400, and this is what we need to focus on. So this post grade A manager general stream, there are only 6 vacancies, but here any bachelor degree holder are eligible for this. So for unreserved there are 6 vacancies, for OBC 2 vacancies, and for SC category there is 1 vacancy, total of 9 vacancies. Excellent pay scale which starts with 28,000 and ends with 55,600 rupees. So the eligibility we have seen, and the eligibility age criteria for different grade A, grade B is 30 degrees, and for grade B there is some required experience required for grade B manager scale, and for assistant manager there is no such experience. As you can see here, no experience is required for assistant manager for the stream of general. What you need is a master degree in either any discipline, or bachelor degree in law, or bachelor degree in engineering from a recognized university, that is certified university, or CA, CFS, CS. So all the candidates who have this bachelor degree confined to these disciplines can apply for this post, and the age criteria is 30 years. So this is for grade A manager, assistant manager. So this is what they should have some basic things like the proficiency in MS Office as well, and some of the basic computer knowledge. So this is what EWS application, and the mode of selection for grade B manager as well as grade A, this consists of paper 1 which is all streams. So for 3 years experience candidate, this is what the 200 marks for paper 1, and this is what the criteria, 150 questions. And now we will be going for we are concentrating only on grade A assistant manager, because this doesn't need any prior experience. So the examination phase 1 will be for all streams, which is confined of 200 marks, 150 minutes duration, and they have multiple choice questions in general awareness, and some of the things like English, reasoning, quant, and as well as computer awareness. So the phase A paper will be this much, that is English for 40 questions, 40 marks, and the time duration is 35 minutes, and reasoning 40 questions, 50 marks. So the weightage for reasoning is a bit higher, and the time duration is just 35 minutes, so you need to be very quick enough. And general awareness and financial sector is 40 40 questions and 40 marks and 25 minutes. So here, if you are concentrating for SEBI, now in this month there is a SEBI exam for grade A post, so you can just prepare that kind of current affairs or financial sector awareness or general awareness for SEBI, so that you'll have a good idea how the financial sector will be asked. And computer awareness, there are 40 questions, 40 marks and 25 minutes. And quantitative aptitude, just 30 questions, and maximum marks are 30 marks and 30 minutes. So all you need to concentrate here is reasoning, which is having higher marks, but time duration is very less, so you need to practice the puzzle. Overall number of questions are 190, the maximum marks are 200, and time duration is very less, 150 minutes. So phase 1 online examination will be bilingual, as you can see here, Hindi and English, but phase 2 will be in English itself. So this is what the exam structure, how phase 1, phase 2, and after that phase 2 there will be a group discussion and interview, and fulfilling those who have qualified phase 1, and there will be group discussion as well as interview. So this is what the weightage of different examination. For phase 1 the weightage will be 70%, and group discussion just 10%. They will just check your basic skills, and for interview 20% will be given. This is what the overall weightage of the exam structure. So the pay level for different streams, for grade B the 21 lakhs per annum for grade B, that is manager level, which requires experience. For grade A it is around 18 lakhs per annum. So after probation you will be having 18 lakhs per annum salary. So excellent opportunity. This is a pay scale, as you can see here, which varies from different zones, means place of posting, but overall the 18 lakhs per annum is the ETC of assistant manager after the probation. So this is how you need to you have some examination centers for phase 1 as well as phase 2 are listed here. From different parts of India you can apply for these questions, for this examination. So these are for different zones: East Zone, Kolkata partner, and West Zone, North Zone, South Zone, Central Zone, and South Zone. You can see there are Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Thiruvananthapuram. And for phase 2, remember, for phase 2 South Zone, if you have qualified phase 1 examination, there are only 2 centers for South Zone, that is you need to go to either Bengaluru or Chennai. And also different zones, the exam centers have been curtailed because there are only limited applications or limited number of posts. The application fees for different categorical people, so EWS, OBC, unreserved, ₹1,000 rupees, and for SC, ST and women as well, there is no fees. So please grab this opportunity. There is no fees for women as well, so you can apply for free of cost. Just apply it and have a look into this exam, because this is an excellent opportunity for all those who are unemployed. So let's see how. If you just click on here, apply online, will be directed to this page, which you need to click on new registration. You just click on new registration. The interface looks like this. They will ask first name and middle name, first name, as well as full name, mobile number, confirm mobile number, alternative mobile number as well. The start marks are very essential, email ID, and this is what, after you click on save and next, you will get the login details to your email ID, and from that registration ID you have to go for photo and signature. You need to upload your photo and signature and your details of your graduation, that is bachelor degree, and you will have preview. You need to upload the requisite documents and you need to go for payment. This is what you can apply for National Pension System Trust. So this is regarding the recruitment of manager as well as assistant manager grade A and grade B in National Pension System Trust. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.